Hi, I'm Luke, Montgomery Homes Knockdown Rebuild Specialist. Are you weighing up whether to knock down and rebuild or perhaps renovate your existing home? Here are just 4 of the benefits of choosing a knockdown rebuild. Number 1, enjoy a fresh start in the same location. Number 2, it's more cost effective, quicker, and increases the value of your asset and land. Number 3, eco-friendlier, it'll save you money on energy bills in the long run. Number 4, you get to live in a beautiful new home with way less maintenance required. With over 300 home designs, Montgomery Homes have curated floor plans that suit all types of block, level, sloping, and acreage. Secure your complimentary site inspection now to ensure you choose the best design to suit your land. Get in touch and start your Montgomery Homes knockdown rebuild journey today.